Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to change Jetstar flight date. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in jetstar.com. After that you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Jetstar if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we have in front of us here. In the top of the screen, as you can see, we have the deals, flights, holidays, hotels, Club Jetstar, where we fly menu, and of course your profile. And here we have in the middle of the screen, as you can see, all of your flights. Sorry, not all your flights, but the flights where you can go, of course, and book. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change Jetstar flight date. So first of all, go to and click on manage booking, which is of course here, as you can see. Then enter your booking reference and last name. So when it loads, here just a second, you can go and enter your booking reference, your name, and of course find your booking. Then select the option to change the flight date. I don't have any flights at the moment, but be sure if you have one, you can of course find it and change the flight date. Choose your new travel date from the available options. Follow the prompts to confirm and pay any applicable fees for changing your flight date. If your booking was made through a travel agent, you may need to contact the travel agent directly to make the change. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.